Hi everyone, welcome once again to this tutorial series. So when we stopped in the previous video, we created these whatever the outputs that were generated by the simulator, we converted it to CSV files. And now my intention is to convert them, like take them to a one single data frame so that I can use them for later analysis. So for that, I will be trying to create a pandas data frame. Sure that I have pandas with me. It seems I don't. So let's install pandas. Sorry. Right. So while it's being installed, what I'm trying to do here is that to read this, whatever the output that is already created, I'll be reading this as a as a temporary pandas data frame. Let's say temp df. Let's say pd dot read. Okay, I guess it's CSV, and then I need to pass this file path. Let's take this one. Okay, I need to take the entire path. Yeah, that would be better, right? So let's copy relative path. So outputs, emissions, results, and then here I need to pass again the random number and convert this to a f string. So each time dynamically the file it will be read, and to the temporary data frame that is created, I'll add a new column called, let's say, random seed, and that will be the random number. So I have a new column that points to from the, so that I can backtrack from which run these results were generated, and then I can create a data frame over here. Let's say let's create a data frame. Data. Say let's say emissions, all runs, pandas data frame. So let's instantiate that. So we have our data frame with us, and then I can say I can concatenate this file as well as this temporary data frame, and I don't want the index, right? So I can use this, right? So what happens is in every run, the results will be taken into this temporary data frame, and that will be kind of, let's say, row binded or appended to this large or this initial data frame that is created. And each time, since in the subsequent iteration, since this has values, I'll be concatenating it with the same variable. So this variable gets updated, and the rows will be added in each run. So then finally I can take this and then say to run to a CSV file, right? Or you can also write to a database, or any method you want to store the data. Let's say up to here, and let's say emissions rather than in results, I'll write this to something called process. results, and then emissions, all runs something like base and CSV. And for this, I will need inside emissions. I need process. Right. So let's run this and see how it goes. Let's see the works. Oh, there, the error. Yeah, I think it's now completed. So now you see all the results are collected. And then also you will see that the random seed is added, right? So this is the results for 64607 random seed, and this is the next random seed, and so on and so forth. You have everything. Now this, since you have it in a tabular form and as a data frame, you can use this for your any data summarization or visualization purposes. So we'll see how we can do that on next video, and complete it on a separate video. Yeah, and if you consider this content is useful, I request you to consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, so we'll see you on next video. Thank you.